and welcome to another ZarMoney training session. In this module, we'll be going over how to use units of measure. This feature is especially useful if you buy and sell using different formats. For example, you can buy by box and sell by piece, or vice versa. We'll go through a more in-depth example of this. Okay, let's get started. From any screen in ZarMoney, hover over the Items and Services navigation. And at the bottom of the drop-down, you should see an option to select Units of Measure. From here, you're taken to the Units of Measure screen. And as you can see, ZarMoney has pre-populated unit of measure sets already. To add a unique set, go to the left-hand corner and click Add New Unit of Measure Set. You can select a unit of measure type that's already listed on this screen, or you can customize it by clicking Other. For this example, I'm going to click Other and then Next. Keep in mind the base unit is the smallest unit of measure you're going to use in a set. So for this example, I'm going to use pieces. The related unit I'm going to use is box. Now, if you always have the same amount of pieces related to a box, you can enter that number here. For example, 150. Or you can click Unit Value Varies Based on Item to assign the number of pieces per box when you enter the item. Okay, for this example, let's also assume that I sell by box or by pallet. So I'm going to add pallet as a related unit. Then click Add New, and then click Next. So most of the time, I purchase by piece and I sell by box. So I'm going to select those as my default unit of measures for this set. Okay, then Next. I'm going to name this set Bolts, and then Finish. Okay, now we can add this as a unit of measure to a specific item. Click the plus sign for a new item. And I'm going to choose Inventory Item. Okay, so I'm going to enter a new product, Everbuilt M8 bolts. And I'm going to have 100 pieces per box. And if I have 60 boxes per pallet, that means it's 6,000 pieces. I purchased it for 68 cents, and I'm going to sell it for 98 cents per piece. Save and close. Okay, now we're going to see how this looks when we're invoicing a customer. Hover over the sales navigation and click the plus sign next to invoices. Enter your customer's name and then add the item to your invoice. The Sun and Shine family store bought 3 boxes of Everbuilt bolts from us. And at 98 cents per bolt and 100 bolts per box, you can see the sales price is $98 per unit and the subtotal is $294. It's important to note that if it's easier for you to enter based on pieces, it's okay because ZarMoney will do the conversion work for you. Okay, that's all for this training session. For more help, visit us at ZarMoney.com.